Welcome to another episode of Sunset. We're gonna call this one Sunset Refrigerator. We got a got the schematics here. This is a serving refrigerator. You keep food cold in it before you serve it, so it doesn't get hot. So it holds. As you can see here, it's in dire need of attention. Look at this shit, bro. So we're gonna get it cleaned up and running. Look at that. And I haven't even used chemical yet. I'm just scraping it off. So I got my work cut out for me today, huh? Tricking Fred out of Fruity Pebbles is gonna be a little task today. But you can see it all comes off though. We're getting the big stuff off. This is from years of not being serviced and taken care of, bro. I'm glad I'm making this owner, mainly for the owner. Look at that nice little pile of just dust and billions of dust bunnies, I can bet you. Fan motor needs cleaning. We got a charging valve here that tells me that this compressor's been replaced because they don't come with this from the factory. You got your water condensation pan, your electrical connections, all your tubes to run your condenser, your evaporators inside of the unit, of course. And we got our on and off buttons over here. I took them off because I'm gonna wash. I don't want them to get dirty. So I'm just gonna set them in here for now. They go on this cover right here. When you put the cover back on, your switches will be right here. They go screwed in with 4 screws, so this cover needs to be washed too. Okay. It's still a good little machine, just needs some attention. But I'll show you the after results. Stay tuned later for some more Sunset Rider. I'm out.